Gloves are your friend. Alright, did a little bit of work on the sides. Gonna do a little more work on the sides. Trying this paper towel here. I'm not sure that I like it as an applicator. I think I like my rag better. Yep, I'm going to give up on that and go back to my rag. Hand free here so I can get this the way I want it and fine. Tuck that in. There we go. Yeah, this one I can rub better. A little more strength to it. Let's hang it back up. Let it dry. I've got a little hook in the corner there to hang it and let it dry. That way it's not sitting on the table marring finish. And I'm going to put in different pots, and I'm going to have to resize these holes for the volume pots. So I'm going to, looks like I need to go to this one right here to start. Grab a piece of tape. Double check. Now, the best way to do this would be to use a reamer. I don't have a reamer, so I'm going to tape it off. Try to keep it from splitting out too much. Okay, it's got one. There's our other one. Okay. Let's see if that'll go in or not. Alright, looking good. Looking good there. More. There you are. All right. Now let's see if I totally butchered it or not. No, that one looks good. Looks good. 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 All right. I upgraded these pots to some better quality, larger surface area on the inside, just all around better. Now, where we are really close. I'll just have to do a little bit of cleanup on the inside of that, and yep, just a little farther in with those, and it will work. Okay, let's go back to this. So I already got the outside hole. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to get a different one of these that's just a little bit longer on the steps. So let me see what I got. Alright, so I went out to the shop and got another one of these. It's a little bit longer. This top is a little thicker than what I thought it was. The thing I like about these is they graduate, so it kind of self-centers itself when you're opening up an already existing hole. Seem to work pretty good, so let's just tape off again real quick. Alright, switch this one out for the new one. Alright, and go back to it. Tray. Okay, let's see where we're at. Still good clean holes on the top. Good. Good also. And looks clean all the way through now. And let's see if that pop will drop all the way through. There we go. Yep, nice, but a nice nice snug fit, perfect size. Awesome. Okay. Cool.